folks, and Happy New Year. Hope you're all well. I've done this one before, but I haven't done the full band version. I've only done the acoustic version, so this is to fill that gap with all the little noodlings going on. In terms of tones, you want a clean tone. And for distortion, I go with something ratty, and I'm using the Croz Devices Royal Breaker. So I think that's really close to the album tone. Your E string is going to go down to D. Okay, so it matches your 4th string. This will be quick, so I'm not going to hang about. Intro. And around, okay? So you're doing these staccato. And then onto the 9th fret, right? And again, notice my little finger, or you could play with your 3rd finger, but I'm only pressing that down when the notes sound, right? The accents. Down to the 5th fret, same deal. Back up to the 9th fret. Like that, okay? I know you probably already know it, but then we have this other guitar part. That's all it plays, okay? So you've got the chord ringing out. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then. And again. 2, 3, 2, and then 8th note. And then there's this fill that goes 3, 4. Pretty straightforward, right? You're just playing the 11th and the 9th fret there on the 3rd and 4th strings, but it's staccato, so 6 of those, then you do, right, like that, and then again, down to the 7th and 6th fret here, and slide back up to the 9th fret, or the 11th fret. Like that, okay? You've got 5 of these. Like that. Then we go into the bridge, okay? So the bridge part goes. So a series of octaves, their root note is all on the A string, and we have 1, 2, 3. And you can include the E string if you want, or not. Or you could just play. Or you can just play the octave itself, up to you. So we'd have 3, up 1 fret, up 2 frets, up 2 frets, and you got a little slide at the end there, right? And then you go like that. Down, up, down, down, up, down. Right, twice of those. 3rd time it branches off. And then you're into the chorus. So rather than going to the 7th fret, we go to the 9th. Okay, that's it. The chorus then goes 3, 4. Okay, so that's twice again there. So we've got this chord. Down to the 5th fret. Basically a D power chord on the A string, but you can use the open D as well, right? Because the low E is now tuned to D. Okay, so that goes around twice. Then again, the third time, it varies. So we have... You got that going on, okay? As per the tab, I'm not going to dwell. Then you go around the verse and chorus again. I think this bit comes in again. And then after that overdub's done its bit, softly you have... You go quite soft with that, right? The two guitar parts come over the top with the... and the... That bit comes in as well. This is three guitar parts there, effectively. Then we go into this variant. So the sort of pre-chorus... So two of those, then there's a second guitar part, so I'll show you those bits. So we have a descending run, right, which the first bar is the same, the second bar varies. So the first one would be... Okay. Okay, the second time. So that one just goes... It goes up, and then the third one, similar to the second, but you branch off into the chorus. And that brings you into the fourth chorus. Twice around that, the third time. And then we're into the outro. The outro is very subtly different. You just play... That's it, you're done. So three of those outros would be... You go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Three of those, and then you do a bar of eighth notes. And you let it ring out. And that, folks, is it. You knew that all already, I'm sure. But anyway, there it is for completeness. See you soon.